Hey everyone, Tom here, and in this video we'll help you troubleshoot a lawnmower that's vibrating way more than it should. Problem number 1, the blade. Your mower blade can chip or break and become unbalanced if it strikes rocks, roots, or other solid objects. A cracked blade can break off while spinning, which is very dangerous. If you strike a solid object, make sure to check for damage and replace a cracked or broken blade. If you recently sharpened your blade and have since noticed more vibration than usual, you may have thrown it off balance by sharpening one side of the blade more than another. A quick and simple test of balance is to hang the blade on a nail or screw in your wall. If the blade is unbalanced, the heavy side will drop down. Sharpen the heavy side little by little until the blade sits evenly on the nail. Problem number 2, the crankshaft. This is a central component of your mower's engine, turning the pistons up and down motion into circular motion that drives the blade. If the blade struck a solid object and came to an abrupt stop, it's possible the transfer of energy bent the crankshaft enough to cause vibration. You'll want to check the crankshaft runout using a dial indicator to see if there's any warping. If so, a bent crankshaft is a major repair. If you have the tools and confidence to do it yourself, you can save quite a bit of money. But if that's beyond your comfort level, you may want to bring your lawnmower to a repair shop to get a quote. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them for us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos. While you're at it, visit us at ereplacementparts.com.